This tutorial will demonstrate how to access the videos that you've recorded, specifically the ones recorded during our Summer Professional Learning series, and how you will add them to a channel so that teacher librarians and LMAs can access those. We will begin on the DeKalb County SharePoint site, sometimes known as the portal, and go up to the top left hand corner. Sometimes this is called the waffle or the app launcher, and we will left click to open, and we're going to go down to the Stream app because that is the program in which all of the recorded videos are housed automatically. As soon as you start a recording in Stream, that is where it will be. Some of them may be very short, 30 seconds or so. You can certainly delete those. But Stream is where we're going to go to find our videos and provide access so that people can view them. So you could just click on Stream, but I like to have multiple windows open. So I will right click and then select Open in New Tab. Microsoft Stream is now open in one tab, and the home page or the portal is open in another. So once I'm in Microsoft Stream, you'll see it has my name right there, so I know that I am logged in, and I will go to the My Content link and select Videos. And here's a list of all the videos that I have recorded or uploaded. These are some videos that my students created when I ran a video club after school at Austin. This is the recording from a summer professional learning session that I'm going to use as an example. It is 31485 Overdrive Part 1 and 2. I'm going to click over, not click, I don't know why I keep saying that. I will move over with my cursor to the icons that allow me to perform actions that determine how this video will be shown, whether it is deleted. The second icon is the one we're interested in. It says Add to Group or Channel. So I will click that, and this pop-up dialog box shows on the screen. Share with. I'm going to click the down arrow and select Channels. And the name of the channel that we're adding these to begins with LMS space K12. I will click Search, and that channel pops up. I will click on it to select, and it is now added as a viewer. Our permission is now given for this channel to have access to that video, and I will click Save. Now, to demonstrate how that is going to provide access, I will go back to the app launcher and I will open Teams. I have actually added the channel that I created in Microsoft Stream to the professional learning channel in the LMS K-12 group, and because I just added it at 12:21, you will see that this announcement about the new tab at the top of this channel. I wish it actually had the icon, but it doesn't. So this is the tab. When I click here, I will see all of the recorded videos that I have added to the channel, including this one, which is the video that we just added. Thank you so much for following these directions so that we can have all of our summer professional learning videos displayed and accessible in this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me.